In the rapidly evolving valves industry, communication is a critical lifeline that connects manufacturers, suppliers, distributors, engineers, and end users across the globe. Proper communication can enhance collaboration, streamline processes, and foster innovation. However, when communication channels are misused or improperly managed, the consequences can ripple throughout the supply chain, potentially causing delays, misunderstandings, financial losses, and even safety hazards. Misuse of communication channels in the valves industry manifests in various ways, often beginning with a lack of clarity about which channels to use for specific types of information. For example, sensitive technical specifications may sometimes be shared casually over text messages or unsecured social media platforms, instead of through approved, encrypted communication tools. This seemingly minor misstep can lead to information falling into the wrong hands, risking intellectual property theft or accidental leaks of proprietary technology. Email, which remains a dominant communication tool, is another channel prone to misuse. It's common for key information, such as revisions in valve design, updates in delivery schedules, or critical safety notices, to be buried in lengthy email threads, overlooked, or sent to incorrect recipients. When stakeholders rely solely on email without proper version control or access tracking, it increases the risk of outdated or erroneous information being used on the factory floor or during installations. The consequences might range from simple rework to catastrophic system failures, especially in industries that depend on high precision and robust valve performance. Instant messaging apps have gained popularity for their speed and convenience, yet their informal nature can breed complacency. Quick messages may lack context, leading to misinterpretations about project status or technical requirements. Furthermore, without proper protocols, vital instructions can be lost amid casual conversation. Or worse, confidential discussions can be exposed through unsecured devices. In a field where projects often involve tight tolerances, high pressures, and hazardous materials, such lapses in communication can have severe real-world repercussions. Another frequently misused channel is project management software. Many organizations invest in sophisticated platforms designed to centralize documents, track changes, and facilitate smooth workflows. But if users lack training or discipline in updating these systems, data becomes obsolete, and people revert to unofficial side channels. The result is project teams working on divergent information streams, which can cause errors in procurement, manufacturing, or installation. The fundamental root of these communication channel misuses often lies in the absence or inadequacy of clear company policies, training programs, and accountability measures. Without standardized protocols, employees choose whatever means are most convenient or familiar, rather than those best aligned with security and efficiency. In environments where time pressure is high and margins for error are slim, these habits can lead to fatal oversights. To address these challenges, organizations in the valves industry must prioritize establishing secure and efficient communication protocols. This involves rigorously assessing which types of information should flow through particular channels, investing in secure, industry-specific communication tools, and training all employees on compliance. Regular audits, feedback loops, and incident reviews can help organizations spot weaknesses early and continuously improve their communication strategies. Furthermore, fostering a culture of accountability is essential. Employees must understand not only which channels to use, but why their proper use is critical. Management should reinforce that misuse of communication channels is not simply an administrative concern, but a matter of safety, financial stability, and industry reputation. In summary, while modern communication tools offer unprecedented convenience and speed in the valves industry, their misuse poses significant risks, from project inefficiencies to costly, even dangerous mistakes. By establishing robust communication policies, training employees, and embedding a culture of discipline and accountability, organizations can ensure that every message, document, and instruction finds its way to the right people at the right time, driving the industry forward, one well-communicated project at a time.